people ask all the time, why should I train my people on cybersecurity? They're busy being an accountant, a lawyer, a doctor, manufacturing line rep, whatever they're doing. Why should I do that? Why should I take their time away from their job? And I'm here to tell you that people are the weakest link in your business. You would never allow a doctor to be a doctor unless they've actually had experience in a setting doing that. And it's the same with this. You can't expect people to protect the business if they're not educated on how to protect the business. And that's why security awareness training is so critical, because the bad guys are really smart. They know how to use psychology to trick your employees into doing things that they would never normally do, because they just have to be right one time, and they could take your whole business away from you. So keep that in mind as you're going down the path of cybersecurity.